Good day again, grade 9. So, today we'll be discussing median of a trapezoid. So, pag sinabing median of a trapezoid, we can use this theorem. So, theorem on median of a trapezoid states that the segment joining the midpoints of the legs of a trapezoid is called median. The median of a trapezoid is parallel to each base and its length is 1/2 the sum of the lengths of the bases. So, punta tayo dito. Kung sakali po na hindi nyo pa alam or hindi pa kayo aware dun sa mga parts ng trapezoid, kindly watch yung isa pa nating video about trapezoids and kites. In-explain ko yun doon. So, for your extra recitation chips for this video, paki-comment po yung definition ng either of the three. Pwedeng midpoint, pwedeng legs of a trapezoid, or kaya base of a trapezoid. So, either of the three, wag lang paki-comment lang po yung definition ng alinman sa tatlong yon. Then, huwag kalimutan lagyan ng pangalan and grade and section. Kahit surname lang, para mas madali kong ma-record yung recitation ninyo. Now, going back, ang sabi doon sa theorem ay, as long as midpoint ito. So, dito, alam naman natin na point E is the midpoint of AD since AE is congruent with ED, and point F is the midpoint of BC since BF is congruent with FC. So with that, the segment connecting these two midpoints are is considered as the median of our trapezoid. So the median here is EF. Now, based on also the theorem, we can say that median is equal to base 1 plus base 2 over 2. So, ang base ng trapezoid natin ay itong AB and DC. So, let's say we're solving for the median. So, the median here is equal to the value of the base. Now, baka may nagtanong, ma'am, alin yung base 1, alin yung base 2? Sa totoo lang, regardless, walang problema. So, kahit ito yung base 1, ito yung base 2, or kaya naman, ito yung base 1, ito yung base 2, walang problema. So, we can write 16 plus 24 all over 2. 16 plus 24 is 40 divided by 2. So, the median of this trapezoid is 20. So, this is 20 centimeter. Now, tandaan mo, walang problema kahit alin yung base, basta kaya mo i-identify alin yung median. Okay? So, let's have another example. Let's say we have this one. Yan, medyo na iba yung given. Kasi kung mapapansin mo, ang given natin dito ay median, then another base. Nawawala yung isang value ng base. Let's denote it as y. So, here, paano natin masasolve yung value ng y? Babalik ka pa rin sa formula na median is equal to base 1 plus base 2 all over 2. Kaya lang, na iba, given mo ay median. So, you'll start with 28 is equal to base 1. So, pwedeng mauna yung ito. So, I'll write y plus yung isa pang base which is 38 all over 2. So, here, I'll use cross multiplication since alam naman natin na any number without indicated denominator is then divisible by or divided by 1 or may invisible 1 sa denominator. So, from there, cross multiply. 1 times 1 plus y plus 38 is y plus 38 is now equal to 28 times 2, that is 56. So, cross multiply ko lang po. Ito. Ito, saka ito. Then, ito, saka ito. Okay. So, from there, lipat ko lang itong 38 sa kabila, magiging negative. So, I will have 56 minus 38. And 56 minus 38 is 18. So, that will be, the measurement of AB is 18 meters. Okay? And last example tayo. Now, eto medyo na iba. This is what we call na po as isosceles trapezoid. So, na-explain ko rin yung isosceles trapezoid dun sa ating video. Pero, i-recall lang natin, ang ibig sabihin lang naman ng isosceles trapezoid ay, kasi dito, if you will notice, ito, congruent dito. Ito, congruent dito. Pero, hindi sila congruent na apat. Sa isosceles trapezoid, since congruent si GT kay RN, that would mean GS is congruent with RA, with ST, and with AN. Congruent yung mga legs ng isosceles trapezoid. So, let's say, ito yung mga given. Dagdagan natin ng angle para, okay. So, let's say ito yung mga given natin. Okay. GR is 12 cm, TN is 28 cm, GS is 6 cm. Let's solve for the other missing values. Ay, may isa pa. Angle G is 96 degrees. So, wait. Gawin natin yung makatotohanan. Palitan natin to. Let's say this is, pwede naman pala. This is 96 degrees. Okay. So, from there, alam na natin na this is an isosceles trapezoid. Ma'am, paano mo nalaman na isosceles trapezoid? Kasi congruent itong apat. Or kaya naman, ang isa pang indication na isosceles trapezoid is congruent yung buong legs or congruent yung mga pairs ng base angles. Kung hindi pa familiar, balikan ulit yung video ng parts ng trapezoid. Kasi, in-explain ko doon yung mga different parts. So, from there, alam natin agad na this is 6 cm. Wait lang. Ba't wala yung ano ko? This is 6 cm. This is also 6 cm. And this is also 6 cm. So, GS is given na 6 cm. So, automatic RA is 6. AN is 6. And ST is also 6 cm. Kasi congruent yung apat. Now, para naman kunin yung value ng SA, which is our median, gamitin lang natin yung formula. So, median is equal to base 1, which is 12. Plus 28 base 2. So, galing yun dito. All over 2. So, 12 plus 28 is 40. 40 divided by 2 is 20. So, with that, the median of our trapezoid is 20 cm. So, meron na tayong mga values na nahanap. Ang nawawala na lang ay angle. So, since ito, angle G, ay ka-same base ni angle R. So, ang base dito ay GR. Automatic, congruent si angle G kay angle R. So, this is also 96 degrees. Now, ano namang relationship ni angle G at ni angle T? They are supplementary. Kung naalala nyo po yung supplementary, that means equal dapat sila sa 180 degrees. So, with that, dapat pag pinag-add ko si angle G at angle T equals sa 180. So, minus mo lang 180 minus 96 and that is 84 degrees. So, angle T will be 84 degrees. And, same scenario, since same base si angle T at si angle N, nasa base TN sila, automatic, angle N is also 84 degrees. Now, ito ay kung isosceles yung trapezoid.